Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Honda Civic LX, stock number B9124A. 51,000 miles in this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Crystal black pearl in color. Civic is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull of the handle allows the rear seat to fold flat for additional cargo space. And very clean, as you can see. No dents or dings in the body. This LX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Gauges, high mounted speedometer so you can keep your eyes on the road, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Automatic transmission. And a spacious glove box with all materials inside. Under the hood, this Civic has a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder, 140 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 28 miles to the gallon and a city average of 39 on the highway, and approximately 75% tire tread left. For more information on this Civic, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.